Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best black satin scrunchies is probably one of the most underrated hair accessories out there, but trust me, they deserve all the hype. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these silky wonders, exploring why they're a must-have for your hair care routine. From preventing breakage to adding a touch of elegance to any hairstyle, we'll uncover everything you need to know about these fabulous scrunchies. Number 5. Kitsch Satin Scrunchies, Frizz-Free Hair Ties. Tired of waking up with frizzy hair? These satin scrunchies are designed for gentle overnight wear. They glide effortlessly to prevent creases and breakage, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. These sleek scrunchies are perfect for any hair type or texture. Whether you have thick, curly, or fine hair, they are the ideal choice for comfort and style. You will love them. Made with silky satin, these hair ties protect your strands from pulling or tugging. They are perfect for sleep or all-day wear, making them a must-have in your daily routine. Gentle yet secure, these scrunchies are suitable for all ages. Their soft fabric and stretchable design make them great for school, work, or bedtime. They are so versatile. From bedtime to brunch, these versatile scrunchies add a chic touch to any look. Use them as hair ties or on your wrist as trendy accessories that combine fashion and function. You will love how they look. What we like? These scrunchies are designed to prevent creases and breakage while you sleep. They are perfect for all hair types, offering both comfort and style. If you have sensitive hair or want to wake up with smoother locks, you should consider these. What people say. They are great to pull back her thick curly hair and helpful to pull back my hair after a blowout. These are the perfect hair ties to sleep in. These are gentle, comfortable, and keep my hair up without causing damage. They hold my hair in place but don't feel tight. Number 4. CEELGON Black Satin Silk Scrunchies, 10-pack. Introducing the new CEELGON Scrunchies. This set of 10 is made of high-quality silky satin. They are stretchy, soft, comfortable, and durable, designed to last. These scrunchies hold your hair firmly in place. They wrap around your hair 1 or 2 times, depending on thickness, without pulling or snagging. Perfect for thick, curly, or long ponytails. You can use them in various styles. Tie them around a ponytail, add them to a braid, or wrap them around a bun. You can even wear one on your wrist as a colorful accessory. These scrunchies are cute and beautiful, suitable for any hairstyle. Dress up your hair for any event, because you deserve to look adorable. These scrunchies make a great gift. Give them to friends, family, or classmates on birthdays, Christmas, Halloween, or Thanksgiving. What we like? These scrunchies come in a set of 10, made with high-quality satin. They hold your hair securely without slipping, perfect for thick or long hair. If you are looking for versatile hair accessories that can be styled in various ways, this is the one for you. What people say. They're not big and poofy, they just look neater than a plain elastic and so much easier to take down. I have long hair and they are durable enough to hold all of my hair up. The material is silky and fun. These work well. I can also see these being a good fit for non-curly hair. They're nice and large, which I wanted, and definitely a silk-like material. Number 3. Satin Silk Scrunchies, 12-pack, black. These black silk scrunchies are perfect for any outfit. You can use them for ponytails, half-up styles, or even as a wrist accessory. Made from smooth, soft satin, these scrunchies are gentle on your hair. The durable material and strong elastic band ensure a secure hold without causing damage. Whether you're going on a date, to a party, or just want to look stylish, these scrunchies are a great choice. They are suitable for all hair types. With 12 pieces in a set, these scrunchies make a wonderful gift. Give them to someone you love for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you're not happy with your purchase, please contact us, and we'll do our best to make it right. What we like? Made from smooth and soft satin, these scrunchies are gentle on your hair and suitable for any occasion. They come in a pack of 12, making them a great gift option. If you like having options and want to give a thoughtful present, you should consider these. What people say. The scrunchies are made of a nice, silky material. They hold my hair up very well. The satin material is gentle on my hair and doesn't cause breakage. Number 2. Black Satin Scrunchies hair ties for women and girls. These satin scrunchies are the perfect accessory for any hairstyle. They are designed to be gentle on your hair, preventing damage and breakage while providing a secure hold. With an inner diameter of 1.8 inches and an outer diameter of 4.3 inches, they are suitable for most hair types. The elastic design ensures a comfortable fit for both kids and adults. Get creative and personalize these scrunchies to match your unique style. You can add ornaments or embellishments to make them truly your own and stand out from the crowd. Made from smooth satin, these scrunchies offer a luxurious feel. The material is gentle on your hair, providing a smooth experience while keeping your hair in place. These scrunchies are ideal for daily wear and special occasions. Whether you're heading to a party or a ceremony, they will enhance your look and add a touch of elegance. You'll receive a set of 10 black scrunchies, a timeless color that complements any outfit. Black is always in style, making them a versatile addition to your collection. What we like? These scrunchies come in a classic black color and are made of smooth satin, which is gentle on your hair. They are suitable for daily wear and many occasions. If you want a simple yet elegant accessory, this is the one for you. What people say. I use these daily and while yes, they do stretch out, they are an excellent value for the price. With darker hair, these satin scrunchies are perfect since they blend in. I'm not looking to make a fashion statement, and the fabric won't pull moisture from my hair like the cotton ones do. These have been perfect for my natural curls. Here it is almost 2 years later and they have held up tremendously. I use them for daytime ponytails and nighttime pineappling. Number 1. Scunci Jumbo Scrunchie, Washable Black Nylon Silk. Looking for a non-damaging hair tie? This set of waffle knit scrunchies is perfect for workouts or everyday wear. It has something for everyone. This is the perfect hair accessory for special events. It slips in and out of even the longest, thickest hair with ease. You will feel comfortable all day long. These scrunchies come in a variety of fabrics and textures. You can try them in an array of colors and patterns to match your style. Scunci created the original scrunchie back in the 80s. This hair accessory has enjoyed unprecedented popularity ever since. It's a classic for a reason. From work to workouts to nights out, express your personal style. Take control of your hair and look amazing whatever you do and wherever you go with it. What we like? These jumbo-sized scrunchies are designed for comfort and ease of use, perfect for thick hair. They are the original scrunchies, offering a classic touch to any look. If you like a bold statement and want a comfortable, iconic accessory, you should consider this. What people say. This is a good medium-sized scrunchie with good hold in my hair. They are perfect to throw my hair up in a messy bun and not worry about awkward creases being left in my hair. This black scrunchie is very soft to the touch, and while it is not silk, I feel like it is protecting my hair from damage. It is big enough to wrap my fine hair twice, image here, and could go 3 times around if I wanted to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.